Chewbacca mask is sold out almost everywhere. Just 24 hours after the world was introduced to Candace Payne and her happy Chewbacca mask in the most watched Facebook Live video to date, the toy has flown off shelves and is now out of stock at virtually every retailer that carried it. The mask, which was sold in conjunction with last year's Star Wars: The Force Awakens blockbuster and makes electronic Chewbacca noises when worn, was the star of the viral video in which Payne live-streamed herself giddily trying it on and laughing hysterically Thursday. Though Payne's mask was purchased at Kohl's, where it is no longer available online, the product is also out of stock at Walmart, Target, and Toys R Us, among other retailers. We have received an overwhelming amount of interest in the Star Wars Episode 7 The Force Awakens Chewbacca electronic mask by Hasbro since Candace posted her funny and lighthearted video, a Kohl's spokeswoman told CNBC. Originally retailing for between $20 and $30 at most stores, the mask is now listed by third-party sellers on Amazon and eBay for as much as $200. With the masks selling out across the country, you can bet there are going to be some copycat videos. But with more than 70 million views and counting, it seems safe to say Payne's rendition is going to be a tough one to top.